Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. We at Oliveboard have come up with the series called Word of the Day. Today is day 15 of the series, and in this video or in this series I give you a new word every day, and apart from that I also give you its meaning, its synonyms, antonyms and its usage in different sentences. So, we'll have a look at a new word today. This series will be beneficial for you since it will help you strengthen your vocabulary, and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is ameliorate. The meaning of the word ameliorate is to make something that is bad or unsatisfactory better. Now we'll try to understand the word ameliorate in a sentence. So the sentence that is given to us says, foreign aid is badly needed to ameliorate the effects of drought. So foreign aid is needed to mitigate or to improve the effects of the drought, right? Now we look at the synonyms of this word ameliorate. So the synonyms can be improve, enhance or mitigate. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be worsen, aggravate, or inflame. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word ameliorate better. So, जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So, the sentence that was given to us was foreign aid is badly needed to ameliorate the effects of the drought. सो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है कि सूखे के प्रभाव से हुए नुकसान को सुधारने के लिए विदेशी सहायता की जरूरत पड़ेगी. सो एमिलियोरेट का मतलब यहाँ पर सुधार है. तो सिनोनिम्स हो गए इम्प्रूव, एनहांस, मिटिगेट या सुधारना, एंड एंटोनिम्स हो गए वर्सन, एग्रोवेट और टू इन्फ्लेम. Now guys, we have used both the languages English as well as Hindi to understand this word ameliorate better. I hope you liked the session. Please like the session, share it with your friends, and for more such content tune into Oliveboard. Thank you.